ITMME Trade Theory Semester 1 Model Question Paper. Question number 1. The Industrial Training Institute throughout India follow the same syllabus pattern as given by the dash. First question answer. National Council for Vocational Training NCVT. Answer C. Second question. Name the category of sign shown in the figure. So answer mandatory sign. B the answer. Third question. Any substance which is inflammable or explosive or toxic or corrosive or radioactive comes under type of dash. So this question answer physical acid. Answer A. So question number 4. Wearing safety shoes or foot and goggle in a workshop in classified under dash. This question answer personal safety. A. So question number 5. What is the first action if your colleges receives a heavy electric shock? So this question answer switch off the current immediately. Answer D. So sixth question. What extinguisher are not to be used on electrical equipment with burning fire? So not to be used on electrical equipment with burning fire. This question answer foam or water. A answer. Answer A. Question number 7. What is the total reading in the metric micrometer? So this reading 4. So sleeve value 4.0 plus 5. So 50 plus 5. So 4.55 mm. So this question answer 4.55. C answer. Question number 8. Which instrument is used to check the piston ring end cap? So check the cap only feeler gauge. Answer A. Question number 9. What is the minimum reading accuracy of a steel rule? Steel rule minimum reading 0.5 mm. Answer B answer. Question number 10. Name the part marked X in the given figure. So this question answer sleeve. Answer D. Question number 11. Identify the tool. This question answer trace square. Answer B. Question number 12. Which one of the following marking media dries quickly and stick to surface well? This question answer copper sulfate. B the answer. Question number 13. Which part of the ball peen hammer is hardened one? So this question answer base. Answer B. Question number 14. The Penji vices are specified by dash. Width of the jaw. This question answer C. Question number 15. The rack angle is the angle between the dash. The rack angle is the angle between the dash. This question answer top face of the cutting edge and the line perpendicular to the working surface. So answer B. So question number 16. What is the name of tool shown in figure? So sheet metal class. So this question answer bend nib. P answer. So question number 17. Allen wrench is used for dash. Allen wrench is used for dash. This question answer removing socket head screw. Answer C. Question number 18. Which one of the following is suitable for scraping curved surfaces? So scraper subject. This question answer half round scraper. Answer B. Answer B. Question number 19. Identify the type of screw given in the figure below. So this screw name hexagon socket head cap screw. So answer B. Hexagon socket head cap screw. Question number 20. The bench grinding machine used for grinding the dash. The bench grinding machine is used for grinding the dash. Cutting edge of the twist steel. Cutting edge of the twist steel. Answer C. Answer C. Question number 21. The permissible variation from the basic dimension is called. So this question answer tolerance. C answer. Question number 22. The rows of the teeth determine the cut-off file. Which type of cut is shown in the figure? The row of teeth determine the cut of the file. Which type of cut is shown in the figure? So two cut. This one, double cut file. This question answer B. Double cut. Question number 23. Which type of file you would select for filing a wooden plank? So filing the wooden plank, file name Rapscut file. Answer B. Answer B. Rapscut file. Question number 24. Washer help to dash. Washer help to dash. So large area. Distribute force over a large area. Answer B. Distribute force over a large area. Question number 25. Identify the type hand AXA frame shown in the figure. So AXA frame name, this AXA frame name, adjustable frame. This model adjustable frame. Answer B. Question number 26. Die stock is used to dash. Die stock is used to cold the tie. Answer cold the tie. B answer. Question number 27. What is the use of a reamer? What is the use of a reamer? So reamer is only finish and exiting hole. Answer C. Question number 28. Which drilling machine is suitable for drilling more number of holes in different location without disturbing the job seating? Disturbing the job seating. So what drilling machine? Radial drilling machine. This question answer C. Radial drilling machine. Question number 29. Name the flux used for soldering galvanized sheet. Soldering galvanized sheet flux name. Answer zinc chloride. Answer B. Zinc chloride. Question number 30. Copper is used for soldering iron because dash. Copper is used for soldering iron because dash. It is a good conductor of heat. Answer D. It is a good conductor of heat. Question number 31. What is the sheet metal widely used for food containers? What is the sheet metal widely used for food container? Tinned plate. Tinned plate. Answer C. Tinned plate. Question number 32. Identify the type of hammer. So identify the type of hammer. This type, ball peen hammer. Answer D. Question number 33. Tearing up the plate in a riveted joint occur due to the dash. Tearing up the plate in a riveted joint occurs due to the dash. So rivet hole being drilled to near the edge of the plate. Rivet hole being drilled to near the edge of the plate. Answer B. Answer B. Question number 34. Which one of the following is not a heat treatment process? Not a heat treatment process. Aniline normalizing tempering, always heat treatment process. So machining, not treatment process. This question answer machining. D answer. Question number 35. Annealing is done for the purpose of. Annealing is a term for the purpose of improving machinability. Answer, improving machinability. A answer. Question number 36. A metal can be drawn into wire without rupture. What is the property called? A metal can be drawn into wire without rupture. What is the property called? Ductility. Answer, ductility is C answer. Question number 37. Name the color for acetylene gas cylinder. Name the color for acetylene gas cylinder. Maroon. Answer B. Maroon color. Question number 38. What step will you take if there is fire at the hose connection of the gas cylinder? So hose connection gas cylinder fire. What step will take? Shut off the supply of gas. So gas supply off பண்ணிடணும். Question, what step will you take if there is fire at the hose connection of the gas cylinder? So answer, shut off the supply of gas. Answer D. Question number 39. During arc welding, a long arc makes a dash. During arc welding, a long arc makes a dash. Humming sound. Answer B. Humming sound. Question number 40. In a hydraulic system, what is the function of a non-return valve? Non-return valve function is allow the fluid flow in only one direction. Allow the fluid flow in only one direction. Answer D. Question number 41. What is the function of a flow control valve in a hydraulic system? What is the function of a flow control valve in hydraulic system? This question answer, to change the direction of the flow of fluid. To change the direction of flow of fluid. Answer C. Question number 42. Which one of the following formula is used to find the hydraulic force? Find the hydraulic force. Which one of the following formula is used to find the hydraulic force? Force equal to pressure and area. Answer B. Force equal to pressure into area. Answer B. Question number 43. The unit of capacitance is dash. The unit of capacitance is dash. Farad. Answer D. Farad. Question number 44. The resistance is an open circuit is dash. The resistance in an open circuit is dash. Infinitive. Answer infinitive. D answer. Question number 45. The primary and secondary winding of the transformer always have. The primary and secondary winding of a transformer always have dash. So this question answer, a common magnetic circuit. So answer C, a common magnetic circuit. Question number 46. Diode are made of. diode are made of dash. So this question answer silicon. Answer B, silicon. Question number 47. The function of condenser is to dash. The function of a condenser is to dash. So this question answer, open the contact breaker point. Open the contact breaker point. Answer B. Question number 48. Identify the symbol for ignition coil. Identify the symbol for ignition coil. This question C. So this image is ignition coil symbol. This image. Question number 49. The capacity of the battery is determined by the number of plates per cell and dash. The capacity of a battery is determined by the number of plates per cell and dash. Ampere hours. So answer D, ampere hours. Question number 50. Which of the following logic gate is also called inverter gate? Which of the following logic gate is also called inverter gate is this question answer NOT gate. Answer C, NOT gate. So IT MME trade theory semester 1. This is model question paper. Thanks to all. Thank you.